welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Face the Music. This is a project that myself and Misty came up with because we are absolute music lovers. We like a lot of different genres, so you will notice that within the prompts of this project. I think there were up to 336 now, and I love it. I love so many different types of music, and I like that this is a very random project. It is within the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. It is a year long, and I probably will do it again next year. Whether or not it's in the group next year, I'm probably going to do it anyway, just because I enjoy, one, the randomness of it, and two, the fact that, you know, I can draw a song or an artist. There's a few artists, but it's mostly songs, and it could be from any genre in any language, and I really like that. The dates of this project, it started on December 12th of last year and will go till December 11th of this year to give us a full year. And let's get into this update. I do have one rollout, and I'm going to make some tweaks. I feel like I'm a rebel lately. I am making some changes, and that's the way it's going to be this year. After having a no stress last year, I kind of liked that a whole lot, and while I am working harder to get stuff done this year, I still don't want stress. So, you know, I got enough stress in my day-to-day life. I don't need it in my painting and my makeup because it's supposed to be enjoyable. So I'm going to just tweak a few things. So let's get into the first rollout. That was for Sweet Dreams Are Made of This, and that is a product that is used before bedtime. I'm very sad to see this one go. I chose the Rose Ink Eye Revival Brightening Eye Cream. I enjoyed this immensely. I'm kind of sad to see this go. I have plenty of eye stuff that I can work on, but this is going to go on my list of things that I might buy if and when I need to purchase a new eye cream. I do tend to get a lot of skincare in PR, and that is how I got this one, but I really like it. All right, let's go on to the things that are staying in, and then I will get to my roll in at the very end. I had the prompt Umbrella, and that was a rain or water themed product. I had in the Bare Minerals Mineral Eyeshadow in Water Lily. It looks like this. I have used it a few times. This was brought in December, and there's not a ton of progress on it. And partially is because this project started before Pan That Palette, and I really wasn't thinking clearly. I did that a lot in December. I felt so rushed with everything. I'm not using it because it is similar to what I have in my Pan That Palette, which is my priority. So I'm just going to roll this out. But I'm not going to roll this out and roll a new prompt. I'm going to find something else that fits the prompt of rain or water themed product. And I'm swapping it out one for one. And then hopefully the other product that I chose for it will actually work for me, and I will get that one used and rolled out. So the product that I'm going to be bringing in is a nail polish. This is from Morgan Taylor, and this is in the shade Water Baby, and I am going to bring this in for 5 uses. I know 5 uses is not a lot, but I have a lot of polishes that I'm working on, and I feel like it's still going to take me a while to get this one done, but I will get my 5 uses in on this one long before I can finish this eyeshadow right here. So it makes sense to me. I hope you guys understand. But I'm going to do it because if I'm not using a product, there's no point for me to even keep it in this project right now. I do like it, it's just a conflict. So I'm going to bring something in that I know I'm going to be able to use. The next prompt was Welcome to the Jungle, and that is a jungle theme or color. And I have in the BH Cosmetics Wild and Free palette. I am working on the teal shade in here. Let me flip this open for you. It is this shade right up here. I want to use this 10 times. So far I have used it 4. I do like it. It's just not a shade I'm going to wear every single day. So, you know, I get a use in here, a use in there, and eventually I will get the other 6 uses. Now this song is stuck in my head. Crazy Train. That is something you were crazy for buying. This is the TG Bedhead Control Freak Hair Serum. It's for straightening. Y'all know I don't wear my hair straight very often. I know when I use it, when I do straighten my hair, I'm going to use quite a bit. Like, not the whole thing, but I'm probably going to use that much because I just have a lot of hair. I just need to find the time to straighten my hair, and then also have that time that I found not be when it's raining like it is right now. So we'll just have to wait and see when the planets align and I can actually get my hair straightened. The next prompt was Rolling Stones, and that is a stone or rock color or theme. I went with the Nina polish here. It is a topper. This one is called Rock Stars. made sense to me. I mean, Rolling Stones, rock stars, right? And I actually do have it on my nails now. I want to use this 5 times. I've only used it the one time. On the pinker shades on my nails, I have it as my topper. It is very subtle. It's got micro glitters in it. I really like this though. I am going to enjoy using this, and I feel like now that I've used it once, I know what it works with, and yeah, I might get my 4 uses that I still need on that relatively quickly. I think that's going to happen. And the last one is the song Circles, and that is a circular product. It's a circle, and this is the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. And they say, don't call it a serum. It's not a serum, it's a booster. I don't know what the difference is. Don't ask me. It's what they say. So I want to finish this. I was at this line last time. Now I am down here. I feel like I will make just steady progress on that, and a few months I will have this one done. So now we have my roll in. I did Wheel of Names and I did a screen grab on my computer, so I'm going to insert that now. I got the song Mia. If you are not familiar with it, it's Bad Bunny and Drake, and that is a product you will always repurchase. It is a product I will not purchase for a long time because I have so much in my collection, but I really like the Philosophy shower gel, bubble bath, shampoo trios, and I only use them on my body. So like a body wash or a bubble bath, it will never touch my hair, but I like it because they have such good scents. This one is in apricots and cream, however you pronounce it. And it is brand new, brand spanking new. It still has the seal on it. So I don't even know what it smells like. I'm sure it smells good. Apricots and cream. Oh yeah, that smells really good. It definitely smells like a spring scent, so I think I picked very well for this one. So yeah, I will always have these in my collection. So I'm very happy to be rolling this one in, and I think that was everything for this update. So I have my one product finished as a rollout. I did my swap out for Umbrella, the eyeshadow for the nail polish. Everything else is staying in, and then of course my new roll-in for Mia. And I guess that is everything. Definitely go check out Misty. She is on a short hiatus because she's got some stuff going on. She's got a lot of videos on her channel, so go check her out. And there should be a spreadsheet down there, like a clickable link to a spreadsheet of everyone else that has joined in. There's going to be a spreadsheet to all of the prompts down there if you want to get in on this. It is so no pressure. You just kind of do your own thing, make your own like goals for your products, and just have at it. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.